Hey everybody, it's Miss Linda. I'm going to be reading you the book called Roar of a Snore by Marcia Diane Arnold with pictures by Pierre Pratt. The sky was dark, the stars were bright, each Huffle fast asleep that night. So we're visiting the Huffle family, except for Jack. Eyes wide open, he tossed and turned. He groaned and sighed. Jack heard a noise that rocked the floor. He heard a noise that shook the door. Jack heard a snore, a mighty snore, a clamorous snore, a thundering, ear-splitting roar of a snore. See all those R's around here? Snore, snore, snore. Some people can snore very loudly, including me. Old Hound Dog Blue was sound asleep. He woofed and snuffled at Jack's feet. Wake up, old Blue, and stop that snore. Old Blue woke up. The snore still roared. So Blue and Jack went searching. Across the hall slept Mama Gwyn. Her huffs and puffs made curlers spin. Wake up, Mama Gwyn, and stop that snore. There she is. There they are. Mama Gwyn woke up, but the snore still roared. So Blue and Jack and Mama Gwyn went searching. Sweet baby Sue slept one door down. Her high-pitched snore made whistling sound. Wake up, baby Sue, and stop that snore. Here's little baby Sue in her crib. I can't imagine her snore would be that loud. Baby Sue woke up, but the snore still roared. So Blue and Jack and Mama Gwyn and baby Sue went searching. Way down the stairs, in his favorite chair, snored Papa Ben like a grumbly bear. Wake up, Papa Ben, and stop that snore. So they all go downstairs, and there's Papa Ben in his chair. Papa Ben woke up, but the snore still roared. So Blue and Jack and Mama Gwyn and baby Sue and Papa Ben went searching. In the old porch swing slept the Huffle twins. Josie Joe squeezed out while Jenny Lynn wheezed in. Wake up, you two, and stop that snore. So here's the twins. They're sleeping outside. But the snore still roared. So Blue and Jack and Mama Gwyn and baby Sue and Papa Ben and Josie Joe and Jenny Lynn went searching. They're going searching. They're all out to the barn. They found their barn filled up with snores. The sheep, the goat, the cow, and more. Wake up, you critters, and stop those snores. The critters woke up. But the snore still roared. So Blue and Jack and Mama Gwyn and baby Sue and Papa Ben and Josie Joe and Jenny Lynn and sheep, the goat, and cow and hens went searching. Up to the loft the Huffles climbed to search together one more time. They searched the hay with drowsy eyes, and there they found... I wonder what they find up in the hay. A snore surprise. One lost kitten in the hay, snoring all his cares away. That little teeny tiny kitten has a big snore. I'll be hornswoggled, Jack Huffle cried. His snore is 3,000 times his size. Wake up, little cat, and stop that snore. The Huffles waited. The snore still roared. Oh, let him sleep, hushed Mama Gwyn. He needs his rest. He looks done in. He's traveled far across our field, said Papa Ben. He needs a meal. He needs a home, said baby Sue. Woof, woof, agreed old Hound Dog Blue. All Huffle's eyes were fixed on Jack. then grinned and looked right back. He's found a home. It's our haystack. So Jack and Blue and Mama Gwen and Baby Sue and Papa Ben and Josie Joe and Jenny Lynn and sheep and goat and cow and hens joined Little Cat and snuggled in. Look at, they're all sleeping together in the hay. Each huffle added snuffles, huffs, wheezes, whistles, grumbles, puffs. One giant snore sailed through the night. At last the Huffles all slept tight. But down the road, eyes open wide, Molly Olson tossed and sighed. So you see, down the road, those snores are heading to the next house. She heard a snore. But that's where our story ends. See you soon.